Hey, Jon Jordan here with my dear friend Katrina, nationally renowned stylist extraordinaire, globally revered party girl.
Wow.
Speaking of which, we're about to hit the town, so I have a reservation for us.
Okay.
Let's get to it.
All
How
right.
do you do this all fast?
Okay.
How do you do what you do so quickly and so well?
Okay, so first of all, I'll tell you now and I tell everybody, I marinate. This is a start from the morning. You gotta be ready. I wake up, I shower, do my hair. Sometimes I'll leave it wet if I want it super curly, put a little Orbe mousse, like something like that, or blow dry, curl it, because I wanna look fabulous, and this is how I keep it in my bun. I don't pull my ponytail all the way through, so that's it.
So
that's
you're marinating and that's...
for volume, for extra va-va-voom, for extra sexiness. I like big hair.
So this, okay, so this is practical, but it's also, it's progression.
Oh yeah, this is
Okay.
a part of the process.
Okay.
Like if my hair isn't doing this in the morning, I'm going crazy. I need a little lift here, a little lift here, a little lift here, and I can work like 8-10 hours, be fine, pull this out, and it looks great.
Okay.
So that's part of the process. Okay, so next,
Yeah.
I moved to shadow. I love Pat McGrath, tons of pigment. I'm not sponsored by anybody. These are just things I love.
Right.
So I like to use these things because it stays longer, better in the summer, fuller, more exciting.
And so highly pigmented, that, in layman's terms, that's like the texture is maybe thicker,
thicker,
and you can
bolder,
feel it, and
Yes.
the color is stronger.
Yes.
It's not like a dusty, chalky kind of.
You're gonna get this way faster than
and
just putting on a piece of, you touch some things and you don't get that full luscious look.
and your finger too, right?
My finger too?
Your finger is a tool
Oh,
that a lot of
absolutely.
people
Yeah.
don't
I'm gonna show you
take
guys right now.
advantage of. So no brush.
No brush.
But-
I have my brush on call if I need it, but if I want to go really quickly, I can do this and just get away with it.
And you're getting a more thorough application by using your finger, right?
Oh yeah, you could like bam, you get like full pigmentation, as
Yep.
we're saying, or full drama.
And
I'm not scared of drama.
nope. Some others are scared of your drama, but that's another segment. All right. So finger, shadow.
Yeah.
And you're actually your body heat is actually the blending.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, you gotta like
mechanism here.
make sure you're like liking it. I like extreme, so I'm going out into my crease and pulling up and over, and then as I go up higher, I try to blend it a little bit more so it's not. I don't want it to look like cray cray. I just want medium cray.
What would you call this color?
Copper.
Okay, copper. So it's not really gold. There's a lot more. It's actually a lot more interesting than just sort of like a subtle gold.
Right. Like you get a lot of va-va-voom with this.
Can anybody wear that color, do you think?
Yes, I think a lot of women can wear that color.
All right.
Yeah, definitely. Gold, silver, platinum. I love all these colors, and you can wear them all year round to make whatever outfit kind of like have a bigger kick.
I'm asking a lot of questions, but we still have to go. So make it snappy.
Now I'm using some orange liner
Okay.
over my lipstick. Nobody has time to like take off, put on, take off, put on. Even when I'm doing shoots, like you got to keep going. You got to keep the momentum up, and you don't have time to like sit there and like redo everything.
And so it's not a contrasting lip liner. Like you don't believe in that darker.
No.
Drawn on. That's like way overdone.
I mean, this is like full party time, party girl look.
Okay.
Like this isn't for you, like to go to the opera.
And this is a gloss. So
It's a matte gloss, and it has so much shimmer and metallic in it. Twinkle, twinkle.
So matte means it's going to stay on longer,
Right.
but it's not a flat color. There's still shimmer in it.
Tons of shimmer, metallic.
Okay, so you're doing
Doing a little black liner just because the shadow is heavy
in the waterline.
in the waterline.
Okay. And so what I see that you're not doing is you're not doing like that liquid extended eyeliner that everybody's been doing forever.
No, because I wanted to have my shadow be the main look. I don't need too many elements. Like soften one thing. Like, so just mascara, and I'm gonna take some of this shadow and use it a little bit as a highlighter. Bring it across here so you don't have to have like a million products in your bag. I take this black satchel and this is my going out. It's ready. It has my jewelry in it, has my makeup in it, so I can run to the bathroom, grab everything, and get on the go.
Okay.
Makes life a lot faster and a lot easier when somebody's waiting for you.
So your highlighter is actually just residue from your eyeshadow.
Eyeshadow.
Okay.
Yeah. And if I want to be even more extreme, I'll use like Nivea or some kind of cream and mix it with the shadow, and that can be a highlighter also.
Okay.
Or your like hand lotion. Hand lotion can also be a detangler. Like there's all kinds of little secrets to the whole look.
So
John's making me go fast, otherwise I wouldn't go this fast.
Eyeshadow plus lotion is shimmering body lotion, face highlighter, whatever you want it to be.
Yeah,
It's about being creative. Yeah. Okay.
I'm just gonna throw these on because this is way too hard.
And so it's really shadow is the cool thing now. It's really not about the heavy black magic marker liquid eyeliner.
No, I think that can take a rest.
Okay.
You don't want to have the mess. You don't want to have the smudge. You want to you want to have pigmented things that last through the day without having to worry about carrying a makeup wipe or this or that, so you have to clean up yourself all day. I like to make it a little bit simpler.
So if you're out and about, as we will soon be, like in 2 minutes, I think, this will also weather the weather well.
Oh, for sure.
Okay.
Headband, a little behind the ear.
And headbands are so in style right now.
Yeah. Exactly.
But it's a practical addition because it keeps your hair in place, right?
Ready to go.
Wow. You look amazing.
I mean, fun, right?
Let's
little
hit it.
easy steps to make it a good night.
Yeah.
Ready?
Fast.
Let's go.
Subscribe and you'll stay up to date every time we post a video. It's that little red button over there. I'm inviting you to subscribe to my new YouTube channel, StyleWise with Jon Jordan. Now, our goal is to add an additional 1,000 new subscribers, and you can help us get there. I post new videos every single week, so please subscribe to StyleWise with Jon Jordan. Let's grow StyleWise and glow together.